The Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni Mini LED series represents a leap forward in home entertainment with its cutting-edge 4K QLED Mini LED display technology. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this smart TV at the latest price available. This model delivers over 1 billion vibrant, lifelike colors, ensuring that every scene bursts with realism and depth. It supports Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10+ adaptive, which automatically adjusts the picture based on the content and ambient lighting, providing an unparalleled viewing experience in any room environment. The 960 dimming zones on the Mini LED panel bring remarkable contrast and detail, even in the darkest or brightest areas of the screen, elevating picture quality to new heights. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the lightning-fast 144Hz refresh rate certified by AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, allowing seamless transitions, fluid motion, and tear-free visuals during intense gameplay sessions. Whether watching fast-paced sports or action movies, this TV handles motion exceptionally well. The immersive 2.1 Dolby Atmos audio system enhances every sound detail, delivering crystal-clear dialogue and powerful bass that surrounds the viewer, making each scene come alive. Voice control is effortless with hands-free Alexa integration, enabling you to turn on the TV, search for content, and adjust settings with simple voice commands, eliminating the need for a remote. Additionally, the Ambient Experience mode transforms your living space by displaying stunning artwork and photos when the TV is not in use, adding an elegant touch to your room's decor. The Fire TV Intelligent Picture Engine uses a powerful processor to fine-tune picture quality scene by scene and dynamically adapts to your room's lighting and color conditions. This makes the Amazon Fire TV Omni Mini LED series not just a television but a smart centerpiece for entertainment and ambience. Its 2024 release showcases Amazon's commitment to combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking superior picture quality, immersive sound, and smart home integration all in one.